Environmental damage is challenging skin like never before. As skin ages, natural vitamin C levels deplete, and it becomes more difficult to store this nutrient from food and supplements. Additionally, factors like pollution and sun exposure cause inflammation in the skin, which can lead to fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, sagging, and an uneven and rough complexion. Topical vitamin C is skin's secret weapon against the everyday damage it's exposed to, while supporting its natural repair processes. Turn on brighter skin with the future of vitamin C. Fueled by a synergistic treatment crafted with 4 potent forms of vitamin C and a citrus infusion, our Radiance Facial is proven to bring back a youthful glow all in the first treatment. Experience real results with this targeted treatment. Powered by proven ingredients for clinical-level results without the irritation. Powerful nutrients brighten stubborn dark spots. Antioxidants protect and repair. Polishing enzymes from lemon and pineapple rapidly resurface to reveal a more radiant complexion. Potent peptides strengthen skin's barrier. Rich plant actives soothe, while vitamins lock in hydration and boost collagen. The Radiance Facial is unlike any other protocol as it prevents and corrects pigmentation, sagging, dullness, and dryness from the inside out, bringing skin back to peak function. Get your daily dose of vitamin C and see dramatically dewier and visibly firmer lifted skin for a flawless complexion and youthful texture. This oil cleanse is like a shield, helping protect your skin from pollution all day long. Our Vitamin Veil Cleanser is the perfect multi-benefit pre-cleanse. By forming a lightweight barrier, it traps harmful particles and free radicals, preventing them from penetrating the skin and causing oxidative stress. This helps safeguard your skin's natural defense system, keeping it hydrated, balanced, and better equipped to fight environmental aggressors that can lead to premature aging and inflammation. Vitamin E, a potent fat-soluble antioxidant, becomes integrated into the lipid membranes of skin cells, fortifying the skin's natural barrier against oxidative stress. By neutralizing free radicals, it prevents lipid peroxidation, which damages the skin's cell membranes and accelerates aging. This protective action helps reduce inflammation, maintain cellular integrity, and promote skin repair, leaving the complexion more resilient, hydrated, and youthful. Soybean oil, abundant in antioxidants, helps shield the skin by inhibiting protease formation, enzymes that break down collagen and elastin, which contribute to premature aging. It also aids the skin's natural repair processes by reducing pigmentation and strengthening its barrier, resulting in healthier, more even-toned skin. This nourishing oil supports cellular integrity, promoting a smoother and more resilient complexion. Skin is cleansed, protected, and defended as its first line of defense starts with the right cleanser. Meet the cleanser that works double time, removing impurities while polishing for radiance. By gently exfoliating the skin, our Amendola Milk Cleanser removes the buildup of dead skin cells that can cause dullness and clogged pores, allowing fresh, healthy skin to shine through. This not only promotes a smoother texture, but also enhances the absorption of other skincare products, boosting their effectiveness. Meanwhile, it supports skin's natural moisture balance, leaving its complexion hydrated, glowing, and more even-toned, giving skin the benefits of a professional facial with every use. Lactic acid, a gentle AHA, helps exfoliate the skin by loosening the bonds between dead skin cells, encouraging faster cell renewal for a smoother, more luminous look. It also boosts the production of glycose aminoglycans to hydrate and strengthen the skin, while reducing excess pigmentation by blocking tyrosinase. This dual action of exfoliating and moisturizing leaves the skin looking refreshed, bright, and rejuvenated. Sweet almond milk is packed with vitamins and fatty acids that not only nourish and moisturize the skin, but also gently exfoliate by removing dead skin cells without disrupting the skin's natural moisture barrier. Its mild exfoliating action stimulates cell turnover, helping to reveal a brighter, more even complexion. By hydrating deeply while cleansing, it supports the skin's natural function, leaving it smooth, radiant, and refreshed. When the skin's surface is free from buildup, vitamin C can penetrate more effectively, boosting collagen production, reducing the appearance of dark spots, and brightening the complexion. Our Zymus enzyme mask is gentle yet effective with multiple forms of vitamin C and citrus, helping with the deeper absorption of products to enhance the antioxidant power of vitamin C. This helps to protect against environmental damage and leaves skin looking more youthful, glowing, and rejuvenated. Bromelain, a natural enzyme from pineapple, provides gentle exfoliation by breaking down the proteins that bind dead skin cells together, leading to smoother and fresher skin. This exfoliation allows vitamin C to penetrate deeper, enhancing collagen production and brightening the complexion. Its anti-inflammatory properties also calm the skin, ensuring a soothing exfoliation that prepares the skin for maximum vitamin C absorption. Citrus medica limonum, or lemon peel powder, offers natural exfoliation by sloughing off dead skin cells, resulting in smoother, more radiant skin. This helps vitamin C penetrate more deeply, boosting collagen production and minimizing fine lines. The antioxidants in lemon peel protect the skin from environmental damage, while its firming properties improve elasticity for a brighter, more youthful complexion. Skin has a more youthful texture while being protected and strengthened. Stop dark spots before they start with this functional mist serum spray. Skin needs a brightening mist because environmental stressors like UV exposure, pollution, and even lifestyle factors can trigger excess melanin production, leading to uneven skin tone and dark spots. As skin ages, it also loses its natural glow due to a slower skin renewal process. Our licorice and bearberry brightening mist helps by delivering key ingredients that target hyperpigmentation, reduce inflammation, and provide hydration, revitalizing the skin and enhancing its ability to reflect light. And a plus, it's free from hydroquinone and kojic acid. Mary Moist from Chondrus crispus extract deeply hydrates and improves skin texture by binding water to the surface, creating an ideal environment for vitamin C absorption. This hydration enhances the skin's barrier and boosts vitamin C's brightening, firming, and protective effects. Melfade PF, combining bearberry leaf extract and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate, reduces melanin production, fades dark spots, and evens skin tone. It complements vitamin C by enhancing its absorption, resulting in a brighter, more radiant complexion. With regular use, it helps maintain an even, radiant complexion by keeping the skin nourished, protected, and constantly refreshed, promoting a brighter, more youthful appearance. Healthy skin starts with cells that communicate. Skin needs strong communication pathways to maintain its health and ability to recover from damage. These pathways allow cells to send signals that regulate key processes like hydration, collagen production, and responses to environmental stress. When cell communication is impaired, it can result in issues such as inflammation, slower healing, a weakened barrier, and visible signs of aging. Our Cytocalm serum promotes that healthy communication and ensures the skin can effectively respond to both internal and external challenges, helping it stay balanced, resilient, and youthful. DermCalm, a powerful plant extract, stimulates the activation of key proteins that support collagen production, improving skin elasticity and firmness. By boosting the efficiency of cellular signaling, it helps skin to better respond to environmental stressors, repair damage, and maintain a smoother, more youthful complexion. This improvement in cellular communication allows skin to regenerate more effectively, supporting long-term skin health and vitality. Dermal RX Loose Shield, a potent extract, stimulates the activation of vital proteins that enhance collagen production, promoting firmer, more youthful skin. By improving the efficiency of skin cell signaling, it helps skin repair and regenerate more effectively, while also supporting a balanced response to environmental stressors. This ingredient is a stabilized form of vitamin C and provides powerful antioxidant protection along with collagen-boosting benefits to enhance skin's repair and cellular communication. The result? Smoother, more resilient skin that looks and feels healthier over time. What you don't know about vitamin C. It acts as the activator that makes collagen production possible. Vitamin C is commonly thought of as just an antioxidant, but it's so much more. It's the essential activator for collagen production. Collagen, the protein responsible for skin's strength and elasticity, relies on vitamin C to initiate its synthesis in the skin. Without sufficient vitamin C, collagen fibers can't form properly, which leads to a loss of firmness and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By boosting collagen production, our vitamin C reversal serum helps keep skin firm, smooth, and youthful, all while protecting it from environmental damage. Magnesium ascorbyl phosphate is a potent form of vitamin C that brightens the skin and supports collagen health. Once absorbed, it converts into active vitamin C, preventing collagen breakdown and reducing oxidative stress. This helps maintain firm, resilient skin, smooth, fine lines, and promotes a youthful glow by boosting collagen production and improving skin elasticity. This is known as a powerful hydrator that soothes and supports the skin's natural radiance. It binds moisture deeply, plumping fine lines and promoting skin elasticity. This ingredient helps maintain hydration, enhances skin brightness, and creates an optimal environment for collagen production, improving skin texture and tone over time. Skin is more resilient with a youthful and protected glow. Sun exposure depletes vitamin C in your skin, making it look tired and dull. But this mask blend recharges and revives it. UV rays break down the vitamin C in skin, leaving it more vulnerable to damage and robbing it of its natural radiance. But don't worry, this mask is packed with L-ascorbic acid, a potent form of vitamin C to replenish what the sun takes away. By restoring skin's vitamin C levels, it not only brightens the complexion, but also helps repair sun-damaged cells, giving skin the vitality and glow it deserves. It's like a recharge for the skin, bringing back that youthful, luminous appearance. Our L-ascorbic acid powdered blended mask is a powerful antioxidant that works wonders for skin by neutralizing free radicals caused by UV exposure and environmental stress. This helps to protect the skin from further damage, reducing the visible signs of aging like fine lines and dark spots. By stimulating collagen production, it not only tightens and firms the skin, but also enhances its natural ability to repair itself. At the cellular level, L-ascorbic acid boosts skin regeneration, promoting a brighter, more even complexion while strengthening the skin's protective barrier for a healthier, more resilient look. Skin is instantly stronger, brighter, and tighter. A moisturizer that defends your skin's DNA before damage even starts. Environmental aggressors like UV rays, pollution, and free radicals can break down the skin's natural defenses and accelerate aging by damaging the DNA in skin cells. A moisturizer with the right protective ingredients can strengthen the skin's barrier, neutralize free radicals, and prevent cellular damage before it happens, ensuring skin stays healthy, youthful, and resilient. Our Phytoep 1.6 is like giving skin a head start in the fight against environmental aging. This ingredient helps reduce melanin production to prevent hyperpigmentation while protecting the skin's DNA from UV and pollution damage. This stable form of vitamin C penetrates deeply, neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, which helps preserve collagen, improve moisture retention, and maintain a youthful, resilient complexion. This ingredient boosts collagen synthesis, enhancing firmness, elasticity, and hydration. By stimulating key components of the skin's matrix and reinforcing the skin's natural barrier, it helps protect against oxidative damage and premature aging, preserving skin's integrity and a youthful appearance. It's a daily powerhouse for repairing, protecting, and maintaining skin's resilience. Sunscreen is essential, but DNA-shielding antioxidants take skin protection to the next level. Sunscreen protects your skin from UV rays, but antioxidants go a step further by neutralizing the free radicals generated by sun exposure and environmental stress. These antioxidants work deep within the skin's cells, strengthening the natural defense system and protecting skin's DNA from oxidative damage. By enhancing skin's resilience, these protective agents not only prevent premature aging and pigmentation, but also support skin's ability to repair itself over time. With this dual-layered defense, it's not just blocking the sun, it's actively protecting your skin at a cellular level. Our Light Day Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 37 offers advanced protection with photostabilizers like Solistay S1 to reduce sensitivity while blocking harmful rays. Antioxidants, lipochromin 6, and preventhelia shield the skin's DNA and proteins from UV damage, preventing aging and stress. Grape stem cell extract enhances skin's defense against UV damage, delaying cell aging. Fast absorbing and lightweight, this daily SPF ensures all-day protection for healthy, glowing skin. Skin is fully protected for the present and future.